How to add folder to my bookmark in Google Chrome. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create folder to bookmark on Google Chrome. So the first step, now after you open the Google Chrome, go to this three dot, go to settings, appearance, so show bookmark bar. After you turn this on, so the next thing, click on this new tab, right click on the bookmark section, add folder. So now here is it. Now it says name, new folder. I'll change the folder name. I'll set my folder. After you set the folder name, so the next thing to do, make sure you choose this bookmark and then click on this save button. So now here is the folder. So now if you want to create another one, click on this, right click on this bar, go to add folder. So here is the folder name. I'll just choose YY. It is under this bookmark. I'll go to this save button again. So now if you want to add a site inside the folder, just drag it like this and add it inside the folder. So that's it guys on how to add folder to bookmark in Google Chrome.